ChatGPT is changing the game in 2024. It has gone from being the smartest robotic technology to helping people make money
just from the comfort of their home. On today's video, I am going to show you a fast method for you to make your first $3 per click. As usual, these are the video chapters to guide you on today's video. And if you stick with me right to the end of this video, I have a giveaway tip for you guys. So let's dive in. The first method is find a profitable niche. You want to find a niche that is currently trendy, that people are going on the internet to look for. The first thing you want to do is to go to ChatGPT and type in something like, what are the top 10 most profitable niche to make money in 2024? You will get what you want. ChatGPT, as you can see, it gives us this 10 most profitable niche that is currently trendy in 2024. We want to make use of the first one, which is health and wellness. So it says some niches like fitness training, weight loss, mental health, and alternative medicine continues to be lucrative. And the reason why I want us to go with health and wellness is that people purchase, when it comes to their health, people purchase on impulse. Like if you are browsing through the internet and you are someone that wants to gain weight, then you see weight gain pill, weight gain training, those kind of things. Like you want to purchase, even if you don't want to purchase like immediately, you want to go to their website and search for those things.
Okay, so now that you found a profitable niche using ChatGPT to generate that for you, the next step is, what do you want to do with this niche that you just found? Now you want to go to a platform where you can affiliate for a product and get paid 40%, 50%, 60% commission, even 70-80% commission for whatever that you are promoting. And in this case, we are promoting niche that has to do with health and wellness stuff. So what we want to do is to make use of all these big affiliate platforms that's actually legit. We don't want to make use of platform that will put us in trouble. So we have a good platform like Seller. I currently use Seller. We have Seller, we have ClickBank, we have PartnerStack. But on today's video, we are going to make use of ClickBank. So what we are going to do is just to head over to ClickBank, sign up if you are new there, to direct you to their dashboard. So after you've created your account, then take the option B and fill in the necessary information. So when you are logged in, you will see a dashboard that looks like this. So go to their marketplace on the left. You will see the category you can affiliate for. So what we are going to use is health and fitness option that we got from ChatGPT. So let's use this product with the highest graffiti score. Now you want to copy the affiliate link of this product and paste it somewhere. After that, you want to click on the product. You want to affiliate for this Puravive company. So they say healthy weight loss ingredients, and this is what the platform look like. So if you scroll down, you will see that they have good review and the website is actually legit. So what you want to do is to go back to ClickBank and click on the affiliate link to check how much you are actually going to earn. You can see you will earn $3 per click. That means that when someone click on your link to check the product, you are going to earn $3, and your average order value is $235. I mean, your commission is 85%. So going back to the product, click on promote and then input your ClickBank tracking ID, your nickname, any name that you want to use, and fill out the rest of the information if you want. And this is to track the orders, but if you don't want to track the orders of the product that you'll be selling, just leave that one like blank. So now that we found a product, the next step is to make use of our bestie ChatGPT once again in order for us to generate a script for us to promote the product. So we want to head over right to ChatGPT and type in something like, give me a detailed description on the benefits of using Puravive. ChatGPT is going to give you what you need, so that will make your job so much easier, so much faster when it comes to generating a script for you to promote the product. Also, what you want to do is to search ChatGPT once again to break down the scripts for you in thread, okay? Because we are making use of Twitter to affiliate the product, right? And everyone knows that when it comes to Twitter, thread is like the best form of marketing when it comes to Twitter. So after ChatGPT has broken down the script into thread, just copy it and paste it somewhere.
because if you leave it there, there is high chances that it's going to disappear before you come back. So just copy it and paste it in your notes and your file wherever you want to paste it.
Last step is to make use of Twitter to monetize the product. After signing up on Twitter, you want to create your account and add a profile description that fits your purpose on Twitter.
So ChatGPT will provide you any ranking keywords that you can use to attract audience that are actually interested in that particular product, so that when they see your Twitter thread, they will be attracted to it. So what you want to do now is to go to Twitter and paste those threads. Then you want to repeat the procedure, and you have to post every day or maybe twice in a week or 4 times in a week. Post your affiliate link that you got from ClickBank, paste it under your Twitter thread, and repeat the procedure. And I will advise you guys to make use of images, so that whenever someone come across your page, it will be interesting to read. It will not be only the Twitter thread that is there. They will always find images that will resonate with what you write. So in order for us to generate image, let me quickly show you a platform that is very easy for you to use in order for you to generate images. So what you want to do is to go to Pixel's platform, sign up. When you are logged in, you will see a page that looks like this. It says the best free stock photos for free. So let us search for weight loss. As you can see, we have so many images that resonate with weight loss that we are using. So let's just download this and use this one. Yeah, so we are good. So now, if you post your Twitter thread, when someone click on your links to check the product that you are affiliating for from your Twitter, you are going to earn $3 per click. And when someone make purchase, everything is going to accumulate, and you are going to get 35% of the product that you are affiliating for. So if you watch this video to this extent, then let me tell you guys something. In order for you to be a successful affiliate, you have to gain the trust of the people you are trying to sell for. You have to get them to know you, right? You have to gain their trust. And in order for you to do that, maybe once in a week, twice in a week, just post a picture of yourself and just write something like, "How are you guys doing today?" Just build a community around what you are trying to sell. And people will gain your trust, and people will definitely buy from you. Because some people, they will actually want to buy something. Someone like me, I don't trust people easily. They will actually want to buy something, but when they see that there's no picture of you here, like they might be doubting if you're actually a real person, if you're a scammer, or if you're legit. So do that. See, there's nothing special. All these people that you see on the internet that are actually selling something, that are selling fast, that's all these things that you see on the internet, there's nothing really special about it. This is what they do, okay? So yeah, I wish you good luck if you want to go for this passive income idea. I wish you good luck. And that brings us right to the end of this video. Don't forget to leave a thumbs up, subscribe, and share this video to anyone that needs to see it. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.